This is the Gravity Control Project Management demo model video. Here you will be able to see what a beneficial tool Gravity Control can be for every project manager. It provides plenty of features that can facilitate the project management process. For example, tracking progress of tasks and their deadlines, issuing reports, determining what staff and employees are overloaded with work and what aren't, etc. In this video, for the first time, you will be able to see a Gravity Control feature called the timeline. It provides extra functionality by allowing the viewing of changes in the Gravity system over time. As usual, we start by loading a data feed onto the work plane. In this case, this is a feed with files downloaded from our Google Drive. I release all the objects so we can see them better, and while they're still going in order, I add a second feed so we can have a better selection of files to choose from. I release those as well. And now, in order to demonstrate Gravity Control project management capabilities, I will present an example from within our company. For that purpose, I load the feed with our staff. I have decided to show you part of the people that are working on these demonstration videos you have been watching. So I select myself, for example, choose my name from the criterion list, and I select another colleague of mine and choose her name as a criterion. Now I have to find a file that contains video as a search criterion, so we can have a system that will show people and the files, the respective files they have been working on, under the video section. Now we do the sorting. We can see all the files moving towards their respective grouping points. I will move them around so we can see them better. Right, so for example, this container here has 212 files. These are all the files Anelia is or has been working on, and they can be different: folders, presentations, Google documents, and so on and so forth. Now this container here has all the files that Anelia and I have been working on together in the video section. This container here has only files that are related to video. Now I'm going to demonstrate a tool called the timeline. Timeline is a tool that incorporates the event horizon we presented to you in the last video, but it provides some extra functionality. Activate it from the button here. It allows viewing changes in the Gravity system over time. It can be extremely useful in various types of analytical tools, for instance displaying the accumulation of publication on a certain topics in press clipping applications, or the change in public opinions in political and statistical analysis. Now in our example, we can easily see what videos or documents were worked on before and after an array of predefined dates, which helps facilitate the project management process. Now, for example, I will click this date here, 21st of November, and we can see all the files are moving towards respective sections of the work plane. Now the files above the event horizon are files that have been created before the date, 25th of July, for example, and the files below the event horizon are files that have been created after the date. In this case, it was a file from the 3rd of December. Now if I press this button here, it will start changing the dates in a consecutive way, so we can see how documents have been accumulated. This tool can be a lot of help while you are trying to decide what files were worked on in different dates. It's a very helpful tool for a project manager in any company. Expect our next video shortly. Thank you for watching.